Hello, welcome to Flower Joos. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to make an arrangement using this container. Now, this container I found in a charity shop. I loved it because it looks like a bonsai dish, and I was a bit disappointed when I realised it didn't have any holes in it. And then the person I was with was going, "Oh, but would it not be good for flowers?" And as soon as she said that, I thought this would be perfect. So we're going to use this container, and we're going to use this Kenzan as our mechanic. So this has got a nice rubber edge, so it's going to not move around on our container. Just going to add a little bit more water. When you're using a Kenzan, you want to make sure that the water covers the pins, and you also need to keep an eye on it once you've made it, because if you're using it in a dish that only has a limited amount of water, you want to make sure that that water basically is nice and fresh and topped up. So we've got our dish, and I just want to use a few materials. Now, when you're adding a stem of material to a Kenzan, what you need to do is you need to cut on a slant, place your flower in, place your stem in, and then draw it to the angle that you want. That means that the long side of that stem, where the slant is opposite, is going to pull onto the actual pins, which is really, really important. So we've got this nice material that's from my garden that I have used before, and I cannot for the life of me remember the name of it, but it's really beautiful. It has the most unusual flower. And I've just got it, and it's like a hedge, to be honest. Now, I want to use a little bit of this towards the back as well. And I'll use another little bit towards the front. So this is really just a very quick little arrangement. That we're going to make. Now, when you're putting your flowers in, you don't have to have the stems necessarily going in close to where they're actually coming out. So if you see this stem's coming in here, but it can actually be fixed over there. It's not a problem. So the other big thing that I want to use in here is this tulip. So this tulip is just awesome. I bought some bulbs last year, and these ones are just amazing. They're like a peony. And that is really it. I do have another hosta leaf, but I really don't want to use it. I don't think. And I want him just to sit up a little bit. I might have, do I have? No. I was going to say I might have another leaf. Well, I have a little tulip leaf here, which is quite good. So we'll just have that there, just literally to take your eye through. So again, yeah, and that's it. So a really simple arrangement. What we've done is we've basically created a little bit of a frame with our, can't believe it. I just broke it, no! But all is not lost. These things happen. And it's not the end of the world. think I want him to come forward a little bit. Yeah, so before I do any more damage, there we have it, a really simple arrangement. We've got a very strong focal point with our flower. We've got a complementary container. The leaves just create a little bit of a framework for our design. And essentially we've got an asymmetrical triangle with our branches and also bringing that colour into the buds that are here. So a simple arrangement, ideal for the home. Doesn't take a lot of material, doesn't take a lot of time, but you can really enjoy the process of bringing flowers into your home. And if you've got these tulips in your garden or something similar, then it's nice that they're out there, but if you can bring one inside, then you can really enjoy it. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, thank you very much. If you've not already subscribed, then click here to subscribe. We've got new videos every week and we'd love you to join us for our next one. Now, if you've enjoyed this one, we've got another video that we've done in the past that used a pin holder, and it's just another pin holder design in a bowl, quite straightforward, but you might enjoy watching that one as well. So here's the link to that. So until next time, take care and we'll see you soon.